And I'm getting ready to start on my Christmas pie, my sweet potato pie. I am going to, wait, 6 pie crusts. I have 6 pie crusts all together, so I am going to wash these potatoes off. I will see you in a little bit. So let's see. Okay, so the potatoes are going. Okay, so I am whipping up sweet potato pies, guys. So it is, but I really don't measure. I got it from my mom. I don't measure. Okay, so I have some in the oven now. So I'm going to let them bake. But I'm just going to take you through the process now, and then I will whip them up. So I'll come back and have these 3. So what you want to do is line your pan with foil. And you're going to take a knife, and so you're going to do 3 slits here, okay? So 3 slits, 1, 2, 3. Now don't worry about that ugly stuff there, because what you want is in the inside. They didn't have like what you would call some pretty potatoes, so I had to pick through and get the best ones I saw. So you do that for each one of the potatoes. You need your sticks of butter, unsalted. You're going to need evaporated milk, salt, some nutmeg, some vanilla flavor, sugar, one of my spatulas, and pie crust. I have these 2, which will both do the same doggone thing. So remember to put 3 slits on the top of the potatoes. That'll give them. Okay, so I slit these, and then I'm going to put them in the oven, and then I'm going to show you the ones that I already have ready. I am ready to. Potatoes here, and you can see they are all the way ready. I have my bowl rinsed out and dry. What you do is you peel the outside. So I have the little one back in the kitchen with me, so I had to run to San Francisco. I am so thankful my mother knew how to get down in the kitchen. Okay, so after you peel potatoes inside, then you're going to mash it up like I did here. So butter, this is really soft, so you want room temperature butter. Now here's the part I don't measure, so I'm going to play it by my eyeball, and then the rest, well, let's kind of throw the rest over your left shoulder for good luck. Of a cup. guys. I'm gonna get there. I promise I'm getting there. But just slowly add, okay? And taste. And then add some more. We can't. Gotta wait for the kids. You gotta wait for the kids. If I gotta wait, you gotta wait. Oh. Only the 212? Shit, I don't know how to spell yet. Well, go and go then. Listen to my videos. See, now I'm gonna have to put music on here.
You like the way I hope it goes.
Say it louder so they can hear you. Say it louder so when I fix it up, they can hear you. Huh? More burger?
Yeah.
You go to dialysis? Those kidneys. Oh. You need someone to be there besides your mouth to test it out, because you taste it so much, then you can't really taste what's missing. Okay, I'm putting 2 eggs in. I usually put 1, but the last time I did it, the pie itself was a little bit too loose. So I'm gonna put 2. These are smaller eggs, so I'm gonna put 2. If it was a larger egg, I would definitely put 1. But because this is on the smaller scale egg, I'm gonna put 2 so that it can make the pie a little bit more dense. I hope that your pies come out just as wonderful and beautiful as these. Alright, so here is the finished product of the 2. Beautiful color. It's going to taste wonderful, and I cannot wait to wrap them in foil, put them in the freezer, and then the night before or the day before, I'm going to put them in the oven so that I won't be eating them